Hi guys, welcome to the video. So in this video you will see about the Mastercam 2025 solids. So for working on solids, what you want? We need some sketches. So first we will select some sketch using rectangle. I will just go for 100 mm width and minus 50 mm. Okay, so I have a sharp corner rectangle, so I am using my modify tool with a fillet. So what fillet I need a normal fillet or inverse or circle, whatever fillet you can use it. I am just going with a 6 mm radius, so I need two corners with the radius, same radius, so I am just created it. And next I will go for chamfer. In this I will go with the angle and distance on one side, so 45 degree with 5 mm, done it. And in another one area I need a 10 mm distance on both the chamfers. I don't want angle, so I just created it. So this is my component which I will be going to create into solid. So once I completed this, I will save my sketch for my reference. So solid, I will save it as, and I will go for my solids. And where you will having a ready-made solids, if you want cylinder you can able to input. First I will go and say I need a cylinder. You can use this. I want to give a sketch dia, and what is the height, enter the height. For example, I need for 100 mm. So the solid is created, and either you want solid or surface or mesh, whatever you think you will need, you can select that type and select manual and what radius you want. For example 50 means it will be generated. And what is the sweep? It's not we are using sweep, so I'm just clicking OK. So you see the 3D model has been, solid model has been created. So next I go for block, and origin for me want to be a center, and I am just giving what length I want. So select the base point, and from here why it's coming diagonally means based on the center point it is varying. So origin, so either you can go with any corners or a first point and second point concept. So I will just give some dimension, and I will get here. I will give 150 mm of length and width of 80 mm, and height of what height I need 50 mm height is enough. So I will click OK, and if you see the solid has been created. Okay, so next the sphere same way, and cone also same way, torus also same way. Okay, so I will just create it and I click OK. And same way for cone also, circle height I will click 100. If you see here, okay, I don't know why torus has not come. I will once again do it. I need a base point, major dia, and then just create a torus. And next is a spear. For the spear also we can use this. You can just directly start on spear. So next thing is how you will generate custom sketch into a 3D model. So for this, where it comes extrude, the same thing for which is used in a design software, the same things applicate here. Extrude you want to select, and it will come with wiring chain, wireframe chain. So I will select this and click OK. And if you see here, the 3D model has been created. So you may ask, why does wireframe came, and why there are so many methods? These are the methods which will be helping to select the 2D entities. So I will teach you in upcoming things with this separate thing in the selection of wireframe chaining, because this is the main thing which will be helping you to select individual models where you want, either you want in a surface or you want the 2D entities, wireframe entities to be selected or points to be selected. By using this option you can able to control it. So we will see in separate class. So next thing is a revolve. Okay, so this is the extrude option, and next we will see revolve option. So I am going for line endpoint. Okay, so I am just creating 90-degree one line. So now what I am doing is I need some arc. So this is my sketch. So I am going for solids and going for extrude, create a body. I am just going to select my change to revolved. So I just need this, and this is my exit, and I am going to select my axis. This is my axis. So I'm just click. It says parasolid interference error, non-manifold body or boundary. Okay, so what I will do is modify the sketch. I will have this line and I will go for circle, and I will create the circle here for 10 mm, and then I will go for solids and select revolve. This is my sketch and select, and this is my angle. So if you see here, I got my component revolve option. So you want to control, you can able to control. You can control with the 90-degree. See, you can able to control your revolves option for which angle you want, you can create. Okay, and I will select okay, and then if you want to remove, you want to use cut, revolve cut option. For this I will go for top. So this is my sketch where I have used. In this I will just go inside and I will go with arc to center to fetch my center point. Wireframe. Okay, I have created my sketch. Again going for solids and going for revolve. From here I am just going to select the rectangle and going to select this, but it again asks for create, so I don't want to create. So revolve. Okay, done. The entity. Now if you see here, the entity has been separate, but it has been created. Okay, so it has some issues, so I am just going with the dynamic rotate option. So this is the thing where we have used the revolve option, and in the solids next is boolean, loft and sweep options are there, and hole options is there. And the same way modify, you can able to create some chamfers, fillets in this. If you want some fillet, I just select the surface and it see here some chamfer has been created for one radius. 1 mm radius, so I just converted to 20 mm. So you can have the radius here, and same way for chamfer. For this round cylinder, I will select corner chamfer I required, either 2 mm or 20 mm or 25 mm, whatever chamfer you can able to get the chamfers for whatever things. And you want to use this as a cell, you can convert the solid into cell. So I will just create this cell and select OK. And one direction, what is the cell distance, that's the thing. And if you do slicing, you can able to see, sorry, I don't have a plane, so I want to create some plane. From geometry, okay, select the plane, okay, so trim with the plane. Okay, and select the plane, okay, we have created some planes. I am just modifying the plane, and this plane is not visible here, so okay, or you can use the line. That option is not available.